Now I've opened up the attribute table for the last name buildings layer containing the footprints here that have now been digitized. Now we have to populate the attribute table. There's a few different ways. We can do it by hand by punching each of these individually, or we can try to do that by groups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the select tool and I'm going to choose rectangle. I'm going to try to get all of these. I'm going to just start off with doing all of the structures for each address. And you should note that I've highlighted, and I can go in and individually click them all and hold down the shift key, and you'll see them in the attribute shown down here. So what I'm going to do is click the show selected records button. Then I'm going to click on the house number, right click, calculate field, and then although it might not be easy to see at first, what you're going to do is go down here, the house number, and because it says 408, all structures on this particular parcel are at the 408 address. Click run, and they've now been populated. And I'll do the same thing for 410. Now all the house numbers have been populated. Let's do the street name now. That one should be easy. We're just going to get them all. For the street name, right click, calculate field, and make sure you use quotation marks around whatever street it might be named. I can also populate the structure type since all of them in this case are the same. Calculate field, in this case quotation mark wood / frame, and click run. I went ahead and did the same for street type. Keep in mind that west is a street, so the street type, keep in mind also to use the quotation marks, so we did quotation marks around street. Now we got to do the stories, which is important for the third part of this assignment. So let's go ahead and clear, and now we'll zoom into our individual homes. And this will require us to, in this case, manually punch in the information. When they're 1.5 stories, go ahead and put in 1.5. And then once finished, you should see in the stories column everything populated. And so besides the notes, which you can add at your own discretion, we've populated the entire attribute table now. And that completes part 2 of this assignment. So go ahead and make sure to click save.